to train. The chimpanzees are deemed by scientists to be the closest to humans of all the living apes. Consequently, they are fairly easy to train. Several years ago, two married researchers embarked on an interesting project. They reared and trained a chimp in almost the same manner as they would have raised a child. The animal did beautifully, convincing the couple of the inherent ability of the chimpanzee. Cinema buffs who have seen Tarzan's clever apes roam through the jungle also recognize the latent intelligence of these animals.